In this video, I want to show you how to import XY coordinate data from Excel to ArcGIS Pro and also how to convert it to Shapefile. So to do that, let me show you the data. Here I have this data. You can see the longitude and the latitude, and it's a lab result for soil sample analysis, and I have about 26 soil sample analyzed. So our major concern is the longitude, latitude, and the result of each parameter analyzed. So what I want to show you is to show you how to import this Excel sheet data into ArcGIS Pro and convert it to shapefile. The first thing to do is to save this very data in CSV format, that is comma separated value. So to do that, click on File and click on Save As. Navigate to your working folder. So let me save it here as Sample. Then here, choose the format, which is CSV, comma delimited, and click on Save. Click OK and click Yes. So we can now minimize or close this page. So let's now go to ArcGIS Pro. Here in ArcGIS Pro, the first thing you need to check the coordinate system of this map. So when you open your ArcGIS Pro, right click on the map and come to Properties. When it opens, come to Coordinate System. Here you can see that our coordinate system, current coordinate system, is WGS 1984. So take note of that. And if you wish to change it, you can equally change it here. So I am okay with this coordinate system. I can close this page. The next thing to do is to bring in our Excel data. And to do that, come to Map. Come to Add the Data and click on the drop down. Then click on XY point data. This will open the geoprocessing page. Come here. Here we have some parameters that we need to input. And the first one is input table. So click on this very icon to browse your file. So navigate to that folder and look for the data you saved. We save it as sample. Here is it, .csv. Then click on OK. So it has been loaded. Then our output feature class, specify where you want it. I want it to be in my working folder as well. Then make sure your X field is the longitude and the Y field is the latitude. At this point, we don't need the Z field. Then here, the coordinate system is the same thing as our map coordinate system. So at this point, what you need to do is to click on Run. So when you click on Run, in few seconds, it will be done. So it's just a matter of few seconds. Yes, you can see my data here. It has imported my Excel data into ArcGIS Pro. Now you can verify by right-clicking on this layer and open the attribute table. So you can see this is our data as shown you in Excel initially. So let's close this attribute table. So the next thing we can do is to convert it to shapefile. So to convert this XY data to shapefile, so come to this layer, right click and come to data. Then click on export features. Here you input the parameters. So our input feature is this, our XY data. Then the location where we want to save it. We can navigate to our working folder. So in this case, I want to save it here. Then I'll click on OK. Then our output name, let's call it sample, for instance. Then click on OK. So Yes, it is done. So we can now remove the first one, which is this Excel. Remove. So we can see our XY data in Excel has been converted to Shapefile. And if we go to our working folder, let's see our working folder here. So you can see sample has been created. It's now a shapefile. And you can equally, for example, if I should remove it, remove. So I can bring it in by clicking on add data. Then I will navigate to that working folder here, and you can see sample and click on OK. So it will bring it in. And if you right click and open the attribute table, you can see it. So this is how to import XY data into ArcGIS Pro and convert it to shapefile. So in the next video, I'll show you how to do spatial distribution analysis of your XY data. Thank you for watching.